gyrus. This is our cingulate sulcus, and if we follow it, it actually makes C up. So this C up is actually your marginal sulcus, and that's what separates your precuneus from your paracentral lobule. Your paracentral lobule is actually separated into the anterior and posterior paracentral gyri. The way you're going to know which one is which is that, my bracelets just touched this nastiness. You're going to follow your postcentral gyrus up, and that's going to be your posterior paracentral gyrus, and you're going to follow your precentral gyrus up, and that's going to be your anterior paracentral gyrus. This is actually your central sulcus separating the posterior from the anterior, and this right here would be your paracentral sulcus. This part here is your superior frontal gyrus. Right there is your para-olfactory gyrus. And this is your corpus callosum. So this is your pericolossal sulcus. Your corpus callosum is actually separated into the parts rostrum, genu, body, and splenium. This is your fornix. If there's a thin veil of tissue here, they don't have it here either. If there's a thin veil of tissue right here, that would be your septum pellucidum. Right here is your interventricular foramen. Let me see which one is better. I guess this one. So this right here is your massa intermedia. It's like the kiss of the two thalami, as he explained it in class. So this would be your hypothalamus area. That right there is your anterior commissure. So coming off your anterior commissure is your lamina terminalis. There should be, right here is your supraoptic recess. You're going to know that because it's above the optic chiasm, so supra is like superior to supraoptic recess. And then the one below that is going to be your infundibular recess, because you would have the infundibulum here with the pituitary hanging off of it. And those are the recesses of the third ventricle. So if this is your massa intermedia, your thalamus would be here, your hypothalamic sulcus would be there, and this is your hypothalamus. Right here, or this is your pineal. Yeah, there. That's your pineal. Right there would be your posterior commissure. It's kind of in between the pineal and the corpus